Welcome to You Can Change Vegan. My name's Matt and I'm going to show you how to make these crunchy chickpeas with lemon pepper seasoning. They're tasty and a source of plant protein and fibre. This is how to make them. Start off with 2 cans of chickpeas. Drain the chickpeas through a colander, collecting the liquid in a bowl. The liquid is called aquafaba and it's a great alternative to egg whites in plant-based cooking when making things such as meringue, marshmallows or mayonnaise. Now add the drained chickpeas to the air fryer or oven and cook for 10 minutes at 190 degrees to dry out the skins. Meanwhile, let's make our lemon pepper seasoning, which consists of oil, lemon juice, pepper and salt. The measurements are 2 tablespoons of oil, the juice of half a lemon, half a teaspoon of cracked black pepper and half a teaspoon of salt. Give that all a stir. The chickpeas have been cooking in the air fryer for 10 minutes, so the outsides are nice and dry. Add them to the bowl and then toss to coat them in the seasoning. Now add the seasoned chickpeas back into the air fryer or oven tray and bake for another 25 to 30 minutes until nice and crispy. Every 5 or 10 minutes, give them a shake to help them cook evenly. After 30 minutes, they'll be really crispy. Have a listen to this. Add them to a bowl and finish with the juice of the remaining half a lemon and some extra black pepper. Stir one last time and then allow to cool fully before storing in jars. Thanks to my 1,079 subscribers. And thank you for watching. There's more of my vegan recipe videos here.